Welcome to saitechinfo, dear UPSC, TNPSC, NEET and JEE aspirants and school and college students. So hi all, in this session we are going to discuss integral by parts. In integral by parts we have two different methods to solve. In integral by parts we can solve that by Bernoulli's concept. Bernoulli's formula, that is nothing but we have to solve the u dash till u function till it achieves its constant, and then we have to integrate the v part till what we are getting the u. That is, the formula is integral of u dv. We will get u v minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3, and it goes on. So in the alternative places we are getting negative signs here. So here this u dash, u double dash continues till the constant term, and the v, we have to integrate the v part till the u function. That is, if we differentiate the u till u double dash, then we have to continue v till v2. So this is the concept here, and this is used for the binomial functions. Like if we have multiple functions, we can use this Bernoulli's formula. Basically the integral by parts is nothing but we have two different functions there, and we follow this mnemonics here, ILATE, and we'll use this order to describe which is u and which is v. So ILATE is nothing but I is inverse, L is logarithmic, A is algebraic, T is trigonometry, E is exponential function. Based on this order priority, we'll decide which is u and which is dv.
You can give an example also. I means inverse trigonometric function.
So inverse means cos inverse of x. This is an inverse trigonometric function. Logarithmic means we'll have log of 2x and log x, such that we'll have different functions here. Algebraic means x square, x, theta, these are all algebraic. And T trigonometric means cos theta, sin 2 theta. So these are different trigonometric function. Exponential, e power 2x, e power x. So these are the exponential functions. So based on these priority order, we will decide which is u and which is dv. If a question is given here, that is x square cos theta, then we have to decide which is u and which is dv. From this order of priority, first we have to take algebraic, and then we have to decide what is trigonometric. So u should be x square and dv should be cos theta. So such a way that we should decide
cos theta d theta.
Cos theta d theta. Cos x dx. So in this way we have to decide what is u and what is dv. So if we have to differentiate u till we get constant, and we have to integrate v till where we reach u. So this is the concept of Bernoulli's formula, and we have another formula, integration by parts. In that we have formula, that is u v minus integral of v du. So in this formula we have to decide what is u and what is dv in this order of priority, and we have to substitute u and v minus integral of v du. Just by substituting the what are the functions we got, we will get the final answer. And here there is a difference between the Bernoulli's and this formula, because here we have to just substitute the functions we got in the formula, but in this formula we have to integrate that in between the formula. If we got a equation by parts in the equation, then we have to again substitute that as I or I1 or I2, and we have to again differentiate it by parts. So this is the difference between Bernoulli's formula and integration by parts. By using these two formulas, we will get the same integration only. For the complicated equations or using trigonometric functions, we can use Bernoulli's formula. And for the algebraic function, it would be best to take integration by parts formula.
Okay. So you can explain about u dash, u double dash, u triple dash.
Okay, sir. So in this, let me take this example.
You can
X
write
square.
on the left side. You can erase it and then.
Okay.
You can erase highlight.
Okay. So let me take this example. Here, as I already told, u is x square and dv is cos x into dx. Here we have to differentiate u. So by differentiating u, we will get u dash is equal to 2x, u double dash is equal to 2. So here we reach the constant. So till we have to differentiate, integrate b. So we will get cos x integral is minus sin x. Sorry, sin x. Cos x integral is sin x, and we have to again differentiate this sin x. We will get minus cos x, and we have to again differentiate this, and we will get minus sin x. So we have to integrate it such a way that, and then finally we have to substitute that in the formula.
So the substitution also.
So first is u is x square. So this is the formula. V is sin x, and next is minus, and we have to note that in the alternative place we will get the minus signs here. And next is u dash. U dash is 2x. V1 is minus cos x. U double dash is 2. V2 is minus sin x. So this is the formula, and we can simplify the signs and we will get the answer.
You can adopt this formula.
By adopting this formula, we will get first is u. I'll take the substitution as such. So u is x square, v is sin x, minus integral of sin x, du is u dash, that is 2x. X square sin x minus, we can take this constant 2 outside, and we will get x sin x. And we can solve this by integration method, and we will find the final answer. Again we can use the different integration by parts in this formula, and we can find we can substitute this as I1, and we can find the integration again, and we can substitute such that, that's why I told there is a difference here. We can adopt these functions, we can differentiate and integrate this function, and finally substitute in the formula. But this integration in some functions like this, it goes on like I1, I2, like that it goes on. So there is a difference between these two formulas. So this formula suits for trigonometric. It will be more easier if we adopt trigonometric formulas in this formula, and algebraic will be more easier in this one.
Okay. Pavani, that is here you can find the difference between these two formula. In this case, that is you are going on integrating. That is in the case of Bernoullis, you are going on integrating only the sine functions. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
That is trigonometric functions.
Yes, sir.
That is V1, V2, and so on.
Yes, sir.
And in the case of this formula, that is integral udv is equal to uv minus integral v du, where that is you are integrating which part?
I am integrating this this part alone, sir. So I am substituting the u and dv. I am finding u, what is u and what is dv, and substituting in this formula. And again we have to integrate this part, that is integral of v du.
Okay. Now I invite Hari to proceed with a sum, that is integral x squared into cos minus x, cos inverse of x dx. Can you proceed? Right, thank you, Pavani.
Thank you.
Now you can proceed.
Yes, sir. So the question is integral of x square cos inverse of x dx. We consider cos inverse of x equal to theta, then x is equal to cos theta.
Hari, let me interrupt. What method you are going to adopt?
Bernoulli formula.
You can mention that, Bernoullis formula.
So I am going to adopt the method. Bernoulli's formula. So I am considering cos inverse of x is equal to theta, then x is equal to cos theta, and also dx is equal to minus sin theta d theta. From here x square equal to cos square theta. I am going to substitute all these in this equation. So integral of x square is cos square theta, and the cos inverse of x is theta, and dx is minus sin theta d theta. So I am arranging it. So I am going to divide this into u, and this is dv, that is u equal to theta and dv is equal to minus sin theta cos square theta d theta. So u dash equal to 1. So in this case I have to find v and v1 to substitute in Bernoulli formula. So v can be adopted by integrating the function, that is integral of dv and integral of the minus sin theta cos square theta d theta. So I am going to consider cos theta equal to t. So dt equal to minus sin theta d theta, right? So I am going to substitute here. So minus sin theta d theta is dt, and cos square theta is t square, as cos theta equal to t. So that is t square dt, that is equal to, by applying integral power rule, that is t cube by 3. We have substituted t equal to cos theta. So I am going to substitute that again, that is cos cube theta by 3. This is my v. I am going to find v1. So to find v1 we have to integrate v again, that is v1 equal to integral of cos cube theta divided by 3, that is equal to 1 by 3 integral of cos cube theta. Again cos cube theta equal to cos theta into cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Sir, will you stop on, sir? So here we are going to substitute sin theta,
that is cos theta, write down properly.
Substitute sin theta is equal to z. So dz is equal to cos theta. So cos cube theta is equal to, cos theta is dz. So 1 minus z square into dz. So it is equal to integral of dz minus integral of z square dz. That is equal to z minus z cube by 3. I have done a mistake, so here we have to include d theta, as you have integrated integral symbol here. So I am going to substitute back z is equal to sin theta. So sin theta minus sin cube theta by 3. So v1 is equal to 1 by 3 into sin theta minus sin cube theta divided by 3. So v1 is equal to sin theta divided by 3 minus sin cube theta divided by 9. My integration is I is ub minus u dash v1 according to Bernoullis formula. So
You can do this in this book.
okay, sir. So as again I say ub minus u dash v1. U is theta. Theta into V is cos cube theta divided by 3, and U dash is 1 and V1 is sin theta by 3 minus sin cube theta by 9.
First integral constant. Overall.
Okay, sir.
Proceed.
So theta into cos cube theta divided by 3 minus sin, bringing the minus inside, so it becomes minus sin theta by 3 plus sin cube theta by 9.
Is it sin theta or sin 3 theta?
Sin 3 theta. Oh, sorry, sin theta.
It's sin theta.
Sin
V1
theta.
is sin theta.
Sorry, sir. It's just sin theta, not sin 3 theta. So sin theta by 3 plus sin cube theta by 9. Now you have substituted theta equal to cos inverse of x.
Hari, sorry to interrupt you. Here, u dash is equal to 1. Generally, we'll write du is equal to d theta. How come here u dash became 1? Can you explain that?
Here u dash is the first order differentiation. Here du equal to theta.
D theta.
du is equal to d theta.
Du equal to d theta. U dash means here we are taking du by d theta is equal to 1.
Yes, okay.
This is nothing but u dash equal to 1. That is the first order differentiation.
Very
Yeah,
good.
okay. Yes.
Good. Right. Proceed.
So it is theta equal to cos inverse of x. So we are substituting back into the final answer.
Okay.
So that is equal to theta is cos inverse of x. So cos inverse of x into cos cube theta. Cos theta.
Cos cube theta.
theta.
That is x cube.
Cos cube
Yes.
into cos inverse of x.
That is x cube. Substituted.
Though you have got here. See.
So yeah,
X
but x is equal to cos theta.
Straight
So
away you can
straight away it's
You can
x cube.
substitute x.
So x cube.
So cos inverse of x into x cube
X cube.
divided by 3 minus sin theta. Sin theta is, so sin theta is sin becomes sin of cos inverse of x.
Why?
Sir, I substituted theta equal to cos inverse of x. So I substituted this here, sir.
Okay, better proceed with the sin theta because you already substituted theta is equal to cos inverse of x and x is equal to cos theta. So you have to explain everything in terms of x only. Okay.
So
remove all these things or replace the sin theta. All the sin theta and the sin cube theta.
So just a minute, sir. Then sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sin theta is equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta. I substituted cos theta equal to x. So sin theta is equal to root of 1 minus x square.
Very good.
Sir, I got sin theta in terms of x.
Now squaring on both sides.
Squaring on both sides.
You can
Sin,
do.
sir?
Squaring on both
Squaring
sides.
on both sides.
Then sin square theta is equal to 1 minus x square.
Okay. Now sin cube theta can be written
Okay,
as.
sir. So I have to get sin cube theta also in terms of x. So sin cube theta is equal to sin theta into sin square theta. That is nothing but sin theta 1 minus x square. Root can be written as the power half. Then sin square theta is 1 minus x square the power 1. Same base, add the powers. So 1 minus x square 1 plus 1 by 2, that is nothing but 3 by 2. So I am going to substitute sin theta is
Now let me tell you one thing.
Okay, sir.
You got already sin theta and that is equal to the
Root
square root of 1 minus
x
x square
square.
theta. Sin square theta is equal to, you
One.
have removed the, so 1 minus x square. So similarly, you can cube on both sides. So you please write down sin theta is equal to 1 minus, no, don't put root, instead of use the third technique, that is 1 minus x squared power 1 by 2. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Cubing on both sides.
So sin cube theta is equal to 1 minus x square the whole power 3 by 2.
That's it.
Because it is into 3, so power
Just
3
after,
power
why
3.
did you go for that one?
Okay,
Right
sir.
away you can go.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Done.
So sin theta is root of 1 minus x square divided by 3 plus sin cube theta is 1 minus x square the whole power 3 by 2 divided by 9 plus arbitrary constant c.
Okay. So since you have used the third, the power technique, 1 minus x squared whole power 3 by 2, you can also write 1 minus x squared whole power 1 by 2 instead of square root 2, so that it will be in a more presentable manner.
Oh, okay, sir.
So you can write in the next step also, nothing wrong.
So bringing the x cube here, x cube cos inverse of x divided by 3 minus 1 minus x square the whole power 1 by 2 divided by 3 plus 1 minus x square the whole power 3 by 2 divided by 9 plus c. So this is the correct final answer.
Very good. Pavani, you can ask him any doubts. Please go to stage.
So as I have doubt, because here if we have used the integration by parts method, it would have been little difficult, because we have to integrate it again, and we have used the Bernoullis formula here. That is, Hari have used Bernoullis formula here. So just by using some substitution techniques, we have adopted this formula, and by using the integration by parts also we can solve this in algebraic method.
Okay, so let us invite Dhanusri. Dhanusri, come. So Dhanusri, thank you, Hari. Well done.
Thank you.
Give a big hand. Now Dhanusri will continue this sum using the UDV formula. UDV is equal to UV minus integral VDU.
VDU.
Okay, good.
So now we are going to do the same sum with the integration by parts method. So I am taking u is equal to cos inverse of x, and dv is equal to x square, du is equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, and v is equal to, just I am integrating x cube by 3. So we are adopting that formula. UDV is equal to UV minus integration of VDU. Just I am going to substitute those values. Cos inverse of x is equal to u, Vx cube by 3, then minus integration of Vx cube by 3, and du minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx. I am just taking the 1 by 3 outside with this minus symbol, so that this will get plus 1 by 3 into x cube by root of 1 minus x square dx. So we have to integrate this. So for making simple for me, I am taking this I1, this as I1, then I1 is equal to integration of x cube by root of 1 minus x square dx. I am taking 1 minus x square is equal to t. Then I am just going to take this as x into x square. Then I want to take the value for x square. Then x square is equal to 1 minus t. just this goes that side and t comes this side. So I am just separating the x cube into x square into x by root of t, which is nothing but 1 minus x square and dx. Also I am differentiating this. So 2x dx is equal to minus dt. So we want the value for x dx. So x dx is equal to minus dt by 2. Minus dt by 2. Instead of x square, I am substituting 1 minus t. I am taking this minus 1 by 2 outside. 1 by 2 into, this is in minus so that we can separate those. 1 by root t minus t by root t. We have to integrate this. So integration of 1 by root t is nothing but 2 root t. And this is t power 1. I am just taking this to the numerator, t power 1 by 2. So t power 1 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but t power 3 by 2. I am just integrating this. So 3 by 2. 2 into t 3 by 2 by 3. Root t minus 2t by 3. That is root t by 3. No. T power 3 by 2. So I have integrated this. This is I1. I am just combining this value with I1. Minus 1 by 2, 2 root t minus 2 t power 3 by 2 by 3 this becomes minus 1 by 6. Then I am just substituting inside 2 root t, then this will get cancelled. And minus 2 plus here minus. So if we take that inside, this minus and minus will become plus.
That is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 or 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1
Into,
by 2.
sir.
So put the bracket always, that is safe. Now for minus 1 by 2 put the bracket.
Put the bracket.
Otherwise you may get a confusion.
Plus 2 into 1 by 6 t power 3 by 2 by 3. This and this gets cancelled. X cube by 3 minus 1 by 3 root instead of t I am substituting 1 minus x square. Then here 3 into 3 9. So 1 by 9 into, instead of t I am substituting 1 minus x square, the whole part, 3 by 2.
Yeah, you will not get root at same.
Yes. So this is by integration by parts method. The same answer you will get.
That's good, great. So any doubt for anybody? Do you want to ask any question? Akash or Nadia? Hari? You want to
No
ask any
doubts, sir.
question?
Everything clear.
No doubts, sir.
Huh?
Everything
No
clear,
doubt.
sir.
I have one doubt. It's not doubt. Some clarification required here. See, that is here, according to the isolate concept, she has taken V. Actually, we have to give the importance to V. Isolate means that is V is given as the cos inverse of x.
No, sir.
You are taking
Inverse
V, U
means-
or VL?
U, that's
U,
U.
sir.
U. So you clear that because it is not, I thought that it is a V.
No,
It
U,
should be
sir.
U, is it not? You put small letter U. U. It is also looking like V. Small letter U.
Small
Something like that.
letter. That's me, sir.
The cursive letter.
Ah, like that. The next one.
Same
DU and the D U. U. No, that is when anybody watches this video, they should not get confused. Okay? So this is U. According to Eilert principle, that is, it's not a principle, it is our idea only. So I, that is inverse trigonometric function, should be given priority for U.
That is U.
Okay, so that you have adopted clearly. Okay, and when you look at Pavani, let us have a discussion now. Come. See, in the previous sum, the integral parts were trigonometric, whereas in this case, it is a fully algebraic.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you able to follow?
Yes,
So
sir.
can you find out the difference?
Yes, sir. Because in the previous sum in Bernoulli's concept, we adopted that we adopted fully based on the trigonometric functions, cos, sine, and based on their functions, we adopted the full techniques. But here, in the terms of integration by parts,
No, you can explain. You take once again UV. I mean the Bernoullis concept. Take the Bernoullis concept and take that one x cube. Let us rewrite x cube x squared cos inverse dx x dx. So here u is equal to,
cos inverse of x.
okay, and put a vertical line on that side, and the v
is equal to x square.
x squared. V is equal to x squared. So in this case we are differentiating u, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so proceed this.
So du is equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square.
Okay, and what about the v integration?
We integrate v, this is dv, not d. dv has to be taken as x square.
X squared is x squared x dx.
X square into dx. So if we integrate this one, we will get v, and x square will be x cube plus x cube divided by 3.
Okay, so again
Again, if
v1.
we integrate this, we will get x power 4 by 12.
by 12. And what about the du? So here this is a du, and again that is you have to go for the second order differentiation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you go for second order differentiation, it may be more complicated.
Yes, it will be more complicated.
More complicated, and that is why it would be better to adopt that technique.
Yes, so that is why we have taken in the previous, that is in Bernoulli's concept, we have converted this cos theta in terms of sin, that is in theta, and substituted the trigonometric functions there.
And what about that sum? That is 26th sum, Hari.
Sir?
What you discussed is 26.
25, sir.
Is
Question
it
number
the same
25.
sum?
So,
Same sum, huh?
No, sir, before we put in 24.
it's the same sum, so both of them did the same sum.
Both of them, they have done the same sum.
So as I already told, u is equal to cos inverse of x. If we differentiate, that is first order differentiation of u is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. If we take second order differentiation of this function, it gets complicated. So that's why Hari have adopted a different method, and he has taken Bernoulli's concept. So Hari will explain about this.
Taking cos inverse of x is equal to theta, we get revealed of the inverse function. So then we can adopt the Bernoullis
You
principle.
can show that, Hari.
Initially, show that.
Taking cos inverse of x is equal to theta, I got x is equal to cos theta. and also x square equal to cos square theta, and differentiating this I got dx is equal to minus sin theta d theta. Then I substituted everything here, that is x, in the place of x square I substituted cos square theta, then cos inverse of x is equal to theta, then dx is minus sin theta d theta. On rearranging, becomes theta minus sin theta cos square theta d theta. Now I got two functions u and this is dv. On differentiating u, I got the constant. I got a constant value u dash s1. So I can stop till this. So on differentiating till this, I got constant. So I stop till this. And then taking dv, I integrate this part 2 times, that is to find v and to find v1. So the formula is ub minus u dash v1. So I adopted this method to adopt Bernoullis method.
Very good.
Okay, sir.
Pavani, got it clarified.
Yes, sir. Now I got clarified, because if we take the algebraic form, that is straightly if we differentiate the cos inverse of x, we will get 1 by root of 1 minus x square. That becomes a quite complicated thing. So we have adopted the trigonometric function here, and we can adopt the Bernoullis concept. So, but in case of what Dhanusri explained, we can take that in terms of t and we can explain. So there are 2 ways in solving this concept.
Okay. So whichever method is comfortable for you, that is you
We can solve that.
Okay. So thank you very much for all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
யாம் பெற்ற இன்பம் பெருக இவ்வையகம் என்பதற்கேற்ப please subscribe if you like our educational contents and share with your family and friends. Thank you for spending your valuable time.